Hey everyone, my name is Samantha March. Welcome to the OFRA Cosmetics YouTube channel. I am so excited to be here today to tell you a little bit more about my new collaboration, the Belongs To collection that just launched at OFRA Cosmetics. When I got asked last year, when our first collection came out in March of 2020, when I got asked to come back to do a round 2 with OFRA Cosmetics, I was so thrilled about it. I was also a little bit daunted because we were going to be taking on eyeshadows. And I'm not going to lie, I was a little bit scared to do it, but I said, why not? Why not was my motto of 2020. And I thought, why can't I take this on and see what we can come up with? So I'm going to show you the Belongs To collection and everything that's inside this PR box. First up, I really do love the PR box. I love the purple on it. I love all of the artwork on the front. It says Life's a Draft and also Sam Squad. Those are the products that we have in the collection. Belongs To is a bit of a play on a diary or a journal. I am also a writer and I also do love journaling. So I just adore how this PR package came out. I thought that it was so well done. There's also a little note from me in the beginning here that starts off with, "The plot twist you didn't see coming," aka 2020, let me tell you. When you open it up inside, you also have this beautiful page of graphics right here that also has to do with the different products and shade names. And I love the sticker sheet that you get in the PR box. I adore how this came out. I especially love the graphic of my dog Aries. Aries is a Vizsla and she's always all over my social media. She's a celebrity, okay? Aries is a celebrity. Let's just say, and she knows that she is. She knows that so many people love her. And now she has her own stickers, so she thought that she was very cool for that. And kind of the idea behind these stickers is that you can take it with the Life's a Draft palette. You can put any stickers on here that you want to decorate your palette. So I thought that was so fun. Of course, you can do whatever it is that you want with your stickers, but that's just one idea that you can do with them. So those do come in each of the PR boxes. Inside with the Life's a Draft palette, I absolutely love the name Life's a Draft. That's something that I believe wholeheartedly, and you know, we could have this season of this draft and maybe things aren't going so well, but that's not the final draft of your life, and you can go on and you can write a new draft and you can rewrite. And I absolutely loved the name of that. And inside, this is a mini mix palette, so we have 8 different eyeshadows and then 3 face shades. They are all eye safe though, so you can use them on your eyes too. I personally love all of them on my eyes. I use the matte bronzer as an eyeshadow in my crease, the highlight in the center in Dream Chaser inner corner brow bone. It's actually on my lid right now. And then the blush, I also think that's a really beautiful eyeshadow. I love purple shades, so I really wanted to create something that was purple. I have green eyes and I think purple is so complementary with green eyes, so I really wanted to create a purple palette, but that was still wearable and could be everyday friendly. I love this eyeshadow formula from OFRA because even the mattes are very buildable and they're very blendable, which is something that I prefer with my makeup skills and my makeup preferences. But there's also a lot of versatility with them. You can build shades up. You can use some shades wet to get more of an impact with them. You can use the face shades as eye shades. I just feel like there's a lot that we can do. There's mattes, shimmers, a duochrome, a metallic, and I just feel like there's a little something for everybody in whatever look. If you want to take it from day to night, there's a little something for everyone in here. And I just love how the Life's a Draft palette came out. The other item in the collection is a gloss trio. So you would get 3 different lip glosses in the Sam Squad lip trio. And that is named after my community, my Sam Squad, who has been so supportive over so many years, and all the different ideas and ventures that I try out and just how supportive and amazing they are. I really wanted to name something after them. So we have the Sam Squad Gloss Trio. It includes my Millie Gloss, which came out last year, which is just one of my favorites, and it was so well received by so many of you, which is just amazing. And then we have 2 brand new glosses that I created. I do have Queen on my lips today. This is in honor of my dog Aries because I do call her the Queen. I say that she does queen things. So we have the Queen gloss, which kind of matches her coat and what she looks like. And then also the Peony gloss, which is a beautiful pink shimmery gloss. I think that it looks so good. So once again, just a different variety, a little something for everybody with these lip glosses that are in the collection. So that is the Belongs To collection, my round 2 with OFRA Cosmetics. And another big thank you to OFRA for taking another chance on me and letting me do another collaboration with them. These have been some of the best experiences, and I'm so grateful to be able to work with a brand like OFRA Cosmetics, who you can just tell they care so much about the products that they put out and the people that they are collaborating with. So for them to consider me, especially for a second time, has just been truly such a highlight. And thank you to so many of you who have supported this collection and supported me throughout my journey, and I appreciate it so much. So thank you to OFRA for having me on their channel. I hope that you enjoyed hearing a little bit about my collection, and I hope you love Belongs To.